guys, what is up? So today I am showing you guys how to get this super dope color and how to customize your wig. Today I'm going to be using the Collab, I think that's how you pronounce it, human hair wig. Sent me a blonde unit and I will be showing you guys all the steps on how I got this laid look. So if you guys want to learn how I do this, keep on watching. Okay, so this is what the hairline looks like, you guys. And then it is a lace front, so there is lace and parting section all right here. It's 5 inches deep, and then the actual construction of it. I'm going to be plucking the hairline to get it to be more natural. I parted her the way I wanted her. Now I'm just gonna grab some tweezers right here and then just start plucking at the part where I want it to look more natural. And then I'm also going to be plucking the front hair. So you're just gonna wanna do it in random sections. Don't just take like a whole bunch in a row because then it won't look as natural. So you're just gonna wanna do this for a little bit until you see it looking more natural. A little bit, the part needs to be bigger, so that's what I'm going to be going for. I hope you guys can see this. Then I'm gonna go on the other side. You're just gonna wanna do this in random little parts. You guys can see that I'm not just staying in one position. I'm kind of going in like a zigzag motion. I'm gonna now do is I'm gonna grab a little piece section and I'm gonna drag it down like you guys kind of saw earlier. And I'm gonna part it like this and then start plucking backwards right here. And then again, I'm gonna section it off. When I am done with that, move some hair forward and then pluck again some more right here so it'll have a more gradual, natural look to the wig. Pluck up here, randomly, kind of in a zigzag motion, so just going back and forth. And then I'm going to pluck going backwards. And I'm just going to be following all the way around. Okay, so I'm in the middle of filming and I had to post and a girl is hungry, so she's gonna be snacking on some popcorn in the middle of this because, girl, let me tell you. Posted a new picture on Instagram. Have been at this for 2 hours. Hungry, just hungry. Okay, so what I did was I flipped the wig inside out. As you guys can see, the lace is transparent. So in order not to tint the lace with the color dye, I'm gonna be spraying it and gluing it down with the Gotta Be glue right here. And I'm just gonna be coating the entire lace on the inside, that way we can dye it. So I'm gonna grab my spray right here, and then I'm just going to spray it and coat the whole thing. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I'm going to be taking some glue on a spoon from the black bottle, and then I'm going to coat all of the lace. This is going to protect the knots and the lace from... Oh. I obviously got so distracted by the sounds of this that I forgot to say that the reason why we're doing this is so that the knots and the lace do not change color. They won't dye purple, but they will stay the way that they are supposed to. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill up a bucket with some warm water. And then I'm going to grab a pot of boiling water and I'm going to add that to my bowl. It depends on how much water you do. So I ended up doing 2 pots of boiling water because I accidentally put way too much water into this. Then I'm going to be taking Virgin Pink and Girls Night from Arctic Fox. Okay, so since I couldn't find my mixing bowl, I'm going to be taking the Girls Night and I'm going to put it in a bowl. You guys, look at how freaking pretty this color is. Oh my god. Then I'm going to be mixing virgin pink as well. So if you need to, you can add more color depending on how you want your color to look like. So as you guys can see, I added more purple into it, and then later on I did add some more pink again, and I just mix it in this bowl until it is all coming together. And then I don't know what I has going on right here. You know, I just am stirring some more purple, showing you guys the little vibes. And yeah, I mean, you're just gonna keep adding color, and then depending on how much water you do put into your thing, you're gonna want to add a lot of color for that. Okay, so now that I have the dye, I'm going to mix it into the water. When you guys are doing this step, make sure you guys grab a whisk or something and really make sure you guys are stirring in the product. That way it will end up looking like this right here. That is after a couple minutes of stirring. I'm then going to be taking my wig like you guys see right here, and I'm going to be making sure all of the color is soaking in. So I'm going to immerse it into the water. I'm going to kind of do it slow just because I was like, why is it not going in? But after a second, you guys can see it actually goes into the water. I'm pressing it in. I did wear gloves because I have nails and I just got them done and didn't want them to dye purple since they are clear with fruit. So I put on gloves, I'm just dipping it in, and you're going to want to do this for a couple of minutes just so that you make sure all of the hair is soaked, and then after that you're going to let the hair sit for 5 to 10 minutes depending on how dark you want the wig. Right here I did spill the water, so that is why there is less in here, but I let it sit for a good 10 minutes, and if you wanted it darker, again, you can let it soak in longer. As you guys can see, it is so pretty right here. I was just dragging it out and was like so shook because it came out so nice. And now what you're going to want to do is wash it. I just wanted to show you guys what the wig looked like up close after dyeing it. I don't know why it's not focusing, but let me show you guys. This is what it looks like wet, so I'm just rinsing it off and then I'm going to blow dry it. You guys can see here too that the lace is not tinted purple at all, and that is because we glued it and sprayed it with the Got2b glue, so make sure you guys do that step. Now I'm just going to take any blow dryer that I have and I'm going to split the hair into a section. You guys can see kind of the bundles in the back where it's not lace. I'm going to clip it and then just start blow drying it so that it's dry. I don't have a lot of fancy tools and brushes, so I'm just using a wet brush right here, which is safe to use for wet hair. And then I'm pulling the hair away from the face when I do get to the front, just so when I do apply the wig, it is not all over the place and doesn't get glue everywhere. I'm then going to be taking the Good Hair Day Advanced Split Ends Therapy. This is really good for when you wash your hair and stuff. And oh, right here I'm going to be a little extra since I was filming an Instagram video for you guys. But you're just going to want to brush it through the hair and make sure that it is going to stay healthy while you do blow dry it, and that while you guys curl it and stuff. You guys can see there's peachy tones in this, purple, pink. There are like 4 or 5 different colors, which I think is so dope. You guys can see it's super healthy, especially since I did apply the Good Hair Day. I'm taking the Got2b glue spray and I put a wig cap on and I'm just spraying it so that way it stays and it doesn't move when I put the wig on itself. Blow drying it so it really stays and it'll stay on there while I put the wig on. I'm then going to be snatching my life upside down and putting that wig on, and I'm going to be brushing it through just so that there's no tangles and it doesn't look all messed up while I am applying it. I'm then going to brush it and clip it back. You guys, look at how pretty this color is. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm going to be cutting the lace, and as you guys can see, I put it on and cut bigger chunks off of it first and then go in and cut a smaller one. I'm then going to be just using a random mousse. This is the 7 mousse. I honestly don't really like it that much, but it's the only one I could find in my house. This is just going to help it give it more of a structure, and I'm just going to brush it through so that way, again, it does stay out of my face when I'm applying it. You're going to want to spray some freeze spray onto your forehead and brush it back so it doesn't ruin your makeup. And then you're going to want to pull the wig and adjust it to how you want it and to your liking. I'm pressing it in so that way it does not show the lace when I am finished with it. I'm then going to glue it onto the sides, and then at the end of this I do put a headband on, but that footage was unfortunately deleted. But I leave a headband on for about 30 minutes after, and then it is really melted in. Okay guys, so this is what the final product looks like. I will show you guys what the bottom of the hair looks like. I'm gonna turn around for you guys and show you. Like, look at this hair. Like, look, dude, do you just see it? Like, are we seeing this? Like, this wig snatched my wig. Okay. But yeah, this is what the final product looks like. I did curl the wig. Normally I always wear my wig straight just because I really like the straight look, but I wanted to curl it to show you guys kind of the different colors that are in this wig. It'll be like light pink, hot pink, dark purple, light purple in some areas. But yeah, I hope you guys like this wig and liked this tutorial. If you guys learned anything, please comment down below and let me know what I was able to help you with. I always love talking to you guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I respond to every single DM and comment that I have as best to my abilities. So if you guys liked it and learned it, comment down below. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys liked this video, and if you guys like me, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye guys. How am I just gonna fall off my chair like that?